The natural gas used every day in homes, industry and for power generation, amongst other things, starts its journey hundreds of meters below the Earth's surface. From there it follows a path we refer to as a natural gas value chain. Here at Shell we operate at every stage, from exploring for and producing natural gas resources to processing and transporting it to markets. We deliver some of the largest and most complex natural gas projects in the world. We are proud of our long-standing leadership positions across this chain. If we start at the beginning with getting the gas out of the ground, we are the second largest producer of natural gas among international oil companies. We are a leader in liquefied natural gas conversion technologies. We are also the largest LNG supplier among international oil companies and manage more LNG carriers than anyone else. Once the liquefied gas has been shipped, it is either regasified and then piped to where it is needed, or perhaps moved to a storage facility where it can be held until it is required. We hold strategic positions in this infrastructure. Finally, with global mindset, our marketing and trading organizations make sure that the natural gas gets to the customers who need it. So what differentiates Shell along the natural gas chain? One thing in particular is our extensive experience and long history in liquefied natural gas, or LNG as it's commonly known. LNG is a clear, colourless, non-toxic liquid that forms when natural gas is cooled to approximately minus 160 degrees Celsius. It can be transported by ship and stored more easily than natural gas because it occupied up to 600 times less space. It's like shrinking the volume of a beach ball to a table tennis ball. Shell helped to pioneer the LNG sector, providing the technology for the world's first commercial liquefaction plant at Arzew in Algeria in 1964. Since then, we have continued to improve the technology behind LNG. Today, our technology and operational procedures are used throughout the LNG industry. Shell's technology development in the liquefaction of natural gas aims to reduce costs and emissions by innovative concepts. Our current focus is on delivering improvements to our existing LNG facilities, or optimization and debottlenecking, as we like to call it, and also developing new applications for our LNG technology, such as floating liquefaction solutions. The floating LNG concepts we are working on will allow us to tap difficult-to-reach deposits and monetize gas from difficult-to-reach or smaller-scale fields, in particular where conventional onshore LNG schemes are not an economic or environmentally acceptable option. Another project we're really excited about is Pearl, the gas-to-liquids project that's currently under construction in Qatar. When it is completed, Pearl is expected to convert natural gas resources into 120,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day of natural gas liquids and ethane, and 140,000 barrels per day of valuable, cleaner, liquid hydrocarbon products for export to markets around the world. Our technological strength is underpinned by our commitment to research and development, and the continuous feedback of knowledge from operating plants to design and research. Looking beyond the concepts I have already touched on, our research includes liquefaction of coal bed methane, LNG plants in the Antarctic environment, and CO2 emission reduction options. For both existing and new facilities, enhancing integrity and reliability is pursued through rigorous asset management systems and the application of smart technology. I hope this short update has given you a flavour of our priorities and the projects along the natural gas value chain. Being at the forefront of the natural gas industry with an unrivaled global position in natural gas amongst private energy companies, we are well positioned to help meet the world's growing need for energy both now and in the future.